Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool Miranda Rae inspired edit. So you are just going to go to like where the video changes, like at the video transition. Then you're going to kind of split it like so. Then you're going to select effects, go to video effects and go to basic and add in the camera focus. You can also add in halo blur or diamond zoom. It is totally up to you which one you want. Just sort of like choose, but I'm just going to choose halo blur for this one because I like the fade, so choose this one. Then I'm going to select the video and I'm going to select speed and I'm going to slow it down to 0.7x speed. Then I'm going to go to the part where I want to add a flash in, so I'm just going to add it here. And then also on this part here. So I'm just going to split that. And then on these, I'm just going to go to curve and I'm going to add flash in, but you can adjust it to your liking. Then once you're done with that, you are going to select the first video and go to animation, then choose like a shake in. Just adjust it, by the way. I'm just going to choose shake 2 for mine. And I'm going to make the duration to like around 1 maybe. And then after that, I'm going to go to body effects. Then I'm going to select headwear. And I'm going to add in the eye reflection. You can also change the color here, but because she has pink hair currently, I'm just going to use the pink one. You can adjust the strength and also the range of it here too. And then I'm just going to adjust this here. And then I'm going to add in the lightning effect on it too. So add it on top of that. Again, you can change the color, but because it's pink, I'm just going to leave it like that. And you can also adjust the speed here, but I'm going to kind of leave it. And then I'm just going to delete the filters on it. And that is pretty much it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!